Hey everyone, this is Carlos from Off Your Flosser podcast. We are testing some electric toothbrushes, and this week we are going over the Burst. There's a little saying on the cover. It says, "Smile, don't be sad, because sad backwards is das, and that's not good." You kind of want to say that with like a German accent. Okay, we got a little thank you card. This young lady's brushing her forehead with it. You know, that's how much she loves this toothbrush. It's amazing. We have an instruction manual, if you will. Some instructions. This guy looks real happy. All the features are on there. You can read that. You can check it out online, burstoralcare.com. Looks like she's using it as a weapon. All the stuff it comes with. And this gentleman doesn't look too happy. Probably got yelled at for not using his Burst. So let's get to the main stuff here, guys. This is the charging cradle, if you will. USB. That's like a little cup that goes over the charger to stabilize the brush when it's sitting in there. There's no metal prongs. The body of the toothbrush is this black. It's got a diamond-like texture to it. It's pretty cool. It's got some horsepower though, folks. It doesn't run right without the brush head on it, and that comes in this little foil package. But first, this is the Burst branded USB charging brick that it comes with. There you go. It's Burst all the way, baby. Brush and everything. And we got nothing else in the box. We're going to crack this bad boy open. And this package is especially strong. It's made out of titanium woven plastic. Look at that beautiful dental hygiene appliance. All kinds of settings. The whiten, it's got a sensitive and a massage setting. Set it back in the cradle. And that is pretty much it, guys. This thing is pretty beast. It feels great in hand. It definitely powerful. This is coming out New Year's Eve, I think. But we've been using it all week, and this thing is ridiculous. Okay, so get yourself one and, go floss yourself. All right, guys, thank you so much. Have a good one. Happy New Year, everyone. Take care.